Hello, everyone. Happy New Month. How are you all doing? So today I want to make oats fufu. This video actually was on request. They asked me to make it for them because they don't know how to, turn it into fufu. Many of us that love fufu, swallow, this is the best. This is the best. I'm telling you, this is the best because oatmeal offers numerous health benefits, including improving digestion, weight management, heart health. If you want to lose weight, this is the best fufu you will use because oatmeal can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially reducing calorie intake and aiding in weight loss. This is how you lose weight by eating this. And improved digestion. Oatmeal is high in soluble fiber, particularly beta glucan, which can help regulate bowel movement and prevent constipation. If you are using this you can't struggle to go to toilet. Yes, you can't struggle in having your poo poo. So this is good. It helps in your digestion. And also another thing, the bomb. It helps in your heart health. Beta glucan can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. So this is good for you and I. And also, it helps to control sugar level, blood sugar level in your body, your system. Oatmeal has a low glycemic index, meaning it releases sugar slowly into the bloodstream, which can help regulate blood sugar level. Are you hearing? It a here? Please, if you have not started using this oatmeal as your fufu, please start. Yes. So, without wasting much of your time, you can see how I started. I soak it with cold water, not hot water. Cold water, cold water. Then I left it for some minutes, let's assume 5 minutes. Yes. Then you turn your stove and put it on there. Then add your olive oil. Olive oil help them to come together, help it to come together. You can see the pan I'm using. It is coming together. You can see it. Yes, you use non-stick pan for that, or you can use any other pot. I don't know. But once you put oil on it, I think it's going to help. Okay. So you turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. You can see it's forming. It's forming. There is no seed on that. It's very soft. So I try to scoop them together so that everything will, you know, cook together. As I'm doing that, I'm checking the softness of it, whether it's hard. I can regulate it by adding hot water, just warm water. Okay, just little, don't put too much. As you put, if it's not okay, you can add again, depending on your texture. Because me, I don't like it too strong. Okay, so you can see this. You can see, you see. This one looks like pounded yam, and you have a lot of health benefit on that. Please, health is wealth. Health is wealth. So swallowing pounded yam, not that you not eat it, but once in a while. If you're the one that love fufu or you love swallow, use this one. It doesn't it didn't do any harm to you. It does a lot of good to your body system. So many of us say more pounded yam, this one. This is the best. You can see it. You can see. Don't mind me. This new month, we want to stay healthy. We want to look good. If you want to watch your weight, your belly, you have pot belly. This is what you will eat because it digests so fast. Digest. You make it to look full. Oh. When you eat it, you'll be filled up. You can see. how I design it with this vegetable soup. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.